Welcome to Kalughat, or more fondly known as KGF. I'm Javed Akhtar, CEO and Managing Director of Uniliver Bangladesh. Kalughat is not just a factory, it's our birthplace. This is where we started the legacy of what today stands as Uniliver Bangladesh. It is where we started in the late 60s as a soap manufacturing unit, and today we've flourished into a beauty and personal care and foods and refreshment factory. On that legacy, we stand and we go and distribute to more than 1 million outlets in Bangladesh and make our products available 9 out of 10 households. The story of Kalughat has been a story of resilience, leadership, and passion. You've seen so much. You've been part of so many transformations. With me, understand and know that you've been a phenomenal part of the transformation and the change that we've made to this factory. Together, we've created new standards, broke barriers, and completely redefined how manufacturing is done. In 1962, in a 15-acre land, Kalughat started as a small unit, and now it's a sprawling manufacturing hub in South Asia. And we've got talented set of engineers and talented set of managers who runs this factory the most efficient way. Today, there is a metamorphosis that has happened, and to show you how we have transformed this factory, I want to introduce to Mr. Tanzim.
Thank you, Javed Bhai. Currently, we are standing at this soap packing hall, which is capable of producing 230 metric ton per day. And I'm very excited to show you all around the soap packing hall. Now, as you can see, I am standing in between line 4 and line 5 of the soap packing hall. And as you can see on my back is the Lux 100 gram SKU, which is running in this line. And this line is a dedicated line for Lux and it's all other 100 gram variants. Now on my right, you will see the household line. This is Bangladesh's one and only household soap packing line. And as you can see and understand, we have completely replaced our manual packing operation with case pack automation. And this is one of the latest additions to the soap packing hall's newest technologies. Now, as you can see on my back, it's the end of line solution that we have recently upgraded. Now I would like to hand over to Ruhul Bhai, the Supply Chain Director of Uniliver Bangladesh.
Thank you, Tanzim. When I joined this factory back in 1996, we only had a few computers and not laptops. And we the juniors had to wait till the end of the day to get a chance to use those computers. Now, over the years, we have converted this Kalughat factory into a modern, inclusive, and digitized factory, which continuously sets new records for production, efficiency, and service. As a part of our journey towards excellence, we have implemented robots in our end of line, which you have just seen. We have also implemented Delta robots in our in-feed lines and automatic case powers in our end of line. As of now, we have 10 cobots and 2 Delta robots, and we have planned to have many more in recent times. We always believe technology is a great enabler, and which is why it has been in our key driver. We have not just made these automations in our manufacturing systems, we have also automated our warehouses. We have utilized big data and software-based automation and analytics to reduce machine breakdown, increase productivity, and enhance quality control. Now I call Anika.
Thank you so much, Ruhul Bhai, for sharing the journey of KGF and also your vision towards the transformation and automation of our plant. Now I am standing in the process plant of PP, which has a processing capacity of 300 metric ton, supporting our packing lines. So this is our HMI. From this HMI, we are totally controlling our RM dosing. This is a totally no-touch operation, and this is the main mixture where the all magic happens. Currently, we are making Vim and Green, which is supporting our home care business. Not only the production, but also we are aware of the wellness and well-being of our employees. Now, I will request our HR Director, Sakshi Handa, so that she can share her vision about the wellness of our employees.
Thank you, Anika. You know, in Uniliver, we strongly believe that our brands and our people are our biggest assets. And that's why we decided that in this pandemic, our first and foremost responsibility is to protect lives and livelihoods. So in Kalughat, for example, we decided that we had to wrap our arms around not just our own employees, close to 1,000 employees of this factory, but also in the outer core. And we absolutely equipped our medical room with all the latest equipment and technology that was needed. We even updated and upgraded our fever clinic, emergency medical room. We also ensured that there was testing facility which was available for all our employees as well as their family members. Now hand over to my young colleague Norish.
Thanks, Sakshi. So here is the ClearPack case packing technology. It is with robots from ABB. Earlier, this packing operation was manual. Contingent labor was being deployed for this packing operation. Now the entire packing technology is being done by the robot itself. So the layer format bottle is coming from the bottle line, and it is coming from here in the input line, and the robot is picking the bottles and placing on the case itself. Then the case is going to the top filling and to the end of line technology. Now let's hear from Ram to know more about our sustainability initiative.
Thank you, Naresh. As per Uniliver Compass and Sustainable Development Goals, Uniliver factory at Kalurghat, Chittagong have taken a lot of initiatives, both in the areas of water conservation, in plastic recycling, and also in green energy. In the water conservation, we follow a principle of 3 R's, which is to reduce, reuse, and recycle the water. In terms of green energy, we are looking at opportunities in solar PV panels to be put on the roof of the buildings. By following these examples in sustainability, I am 100% sure that by the end of 2025, we would be net zero carbon emission from this factory. Now, I'm handing it over to my 3P manager, Tariq.
Thank you, Ram. Third-party operations is a large operation consisting of 7 3P sites and producing predominantly for home care category. These factories produce brands like Rin, Surf Excel, Vim. Altogether, these factories contribute to about 60% of company volume. Just about a decade time, this factory has seen a massive transformation from manual buggies for powder conveying to automatic multi-discharge conveyor, one-touch processing, and replacing 14 semi-automatic machines by 5-speed high-speed machines. Now, over to Nishan.
Thank you, Tariq Bhai. Let's have a glimpse of our highly automated detergent powder factory, ARC Surfactant. It is our largest third-party manufacturing site, producing Rin and Surf Excel for over 20 years. Upgradation was carried out in last 2 decades to make this factory advanced, automated, and highly efficient.
Welcome to Uniliver Dhaka Sales DC, the biggest depot of our country. Now we have better control on our inventory and storage management with GWT score of 98 to ensure world-class service to customer. We moved into this new warehouse premises back in July 2019 and gradually installed 3 double-deep G+5 racking facilities. Added material handling equipments like reach trucks, stacker, power pallet trucks for faster products movement, accurate picking, and put-away function.
We are committed to make our consumers feel good, and we also believe that we can actually create a positive impact to the society, to the economy. But having done that, we also believe that we need to really create a positive and a better world for our future generation. And we realize the great things that all of you have done is what makes us what we are today. Thank you so much for being there with us.